the truth of the matter, maganda tayora ukuru State House as an MCA. I've been to State House twice. MCA tulikuwa. You are not even given that opportunity. Even the president will not wish to know who you are. Abantu bakuwa na leaders ya baba nene buno soro karororo, mugavana karororo. When the deputy governor doesn't speak. The protocol of State House is a bit strict. Number two, we have separation of powers. We have the national government, we have the county government. Our roles are very well stipulated in our constitution. In our MCA, we have our budget at the county level provided by the governor. And you know very well in Kisii County, Kere voting on your a certain amount of up to 27 million not to arrange it in a governor. If you want to confirm what I'm saying, let one MCA come here and tell us how much allocation they got from State House. They go increase which ward you have. You know, bantu baito ntori bariri, bantu bali skoga. Abantu nabangaini. The visit to State House is about undermining Fred Matiang'i, his popularity, is creating disunity and dividing abantu baito bagusi, so that yaro kanaba ibachire ko a president. So yondoko buri ko rugusiga iga tabuga ati riyogi. And allow me to say this. The same things we are going to discuss with my colleagues and the governor. It's the same things so right that I want to discuss. People were picked from all over the constituencies. I'm aware of Masimba Ward. I know about more than 10. Na Mama County. Na bajumbe mbachete Mochumbo Kitutu North Zairi abale aligned to Kenya Kwanza. They discussed the same things we have discussed last week, the other week. So honestly, let's not take people for a ride. Ntuli bantu totally work up, and that's why to another MCA 30 to then this State House visit ne wadegento kebisire mae hanna bogo kerora na bogo gutiok. You saw in that meeting Raila Odinga was there. Is Raila Kisii? Which ward was he representing? So, and now the question comes between Raila and the governor on Masimba Ward, on the State House. So it is Raila who led the delegation to State House. And that is why we are saying, going forward, we want to vote for unity, yomogusi. If we have to go to State House, let one of us be at the front, or yomogusi. And honestly, tindoji any harm ekera to insist na bantu baito bacha, and that is our position. In cheka ekera historical, I want to be on the right side in Anarwa.